Trader Judd here, going over USDJpy on the weekly time frame. This is pair number 2 of week 4 of the weekly charting series. On USDJpy on the weekly time frame, we have a Gartley pattern that is nearing completion. We can see last week's candle was another bearish engulfing candle that engulfed the bullish candle from last week. It is retesting this previous structure to the left right here. But however, I do anticipate this to complete the Gartley pattern. We could see a retest of this trend line drawn. However, reacting off of the previous market structure and then retesting this trend line before we see completion. Dropping down to the daily time frame, I added a trend line. The same zone is drawn. This zone down here shows the completion of the Gartley pattern. So we can see we have this double bottom. This zone being tested, and so we have a couple of different options. It can go bullish, react off of this trend line and continue bearish. It can go bullish, break, retest, and continue bullish until it retests this trend line, like I said, on the weekly time frame. Or it can continue its bearish ways, break this zone, retest it, and then complete the Gartley pattern. Going down to the 4-hour time frame, you'll notice that I added a bat pattern. I apologize for not having that labeled, but there is a bat pattern on the 4-hour time frame that completes below where this zone is. This is the same zone that was on the weekly time frame. I added another zone to the upside that is the B portion of this bat pattern. So just something to be aware of. We could see bullish momentum going up, retesting that previous structure, that B point of the pattern, and then continuing downward to complete that. Or we could see a retest of the trend line. There's quite a few different options. So we could see completion of, we should see a completion of this week. If we do not see a completion of this, I anticipate it is because the C leg is, or the C point is broken, and so that will make this invalid. If we do see a completion of this, we will see it go bullish, slightly bullish before completing the Gartley pattern on the weekly and the daily time frame. And that's what I see for USDJpy this week. It should be kind of an interesting week for UJ. So keep an eye on it. Just be aware, follow candlestick analysis, be smart, and trade wise.